Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
Hello guys, here in this video we are going to learn the difference between synchronous and asynchronous execution of a program in JavaScript. Mostly programs in JavaScript or in Node.js also is asynchronous by nature. That is useful also, but here in this example we are going to check what is the difference between synchronous and asynchronous JavaScript applications. For example, we have a function like this, and in this function I say message like this way, and I just display one value here, that line I can say message 2, simple. And now I just use my console also, and I say message 1 like this, and then I call this method here, and then again I just call one more message 3 like this. Simple way just to understand, and everybody knows when I will execute this program. So first of all this will run, then this function will execute, this line will display, and then message 3 will display. Just try to run it. You see message 1, message 2, message 3 will display, no problem at all. But this nature is called synchronous execution of instructions in JavaScript. We are doing all these things, but we do not know what is the meaning of this. This is synchronous nature, and now I have to change this to asynchronous behavior. I am creating one more function, you see, and here I am saying message, a message, async message, a message, async message like this, and I say here set timeout, and here the first parameter is the function, so I say function, and I give the name of the function, maybe I say message 1 like this, and here I say console.log, and I pass here message 3 for example, and I will change to 4, message 3, and after it will display after 3 seconds of time. Clear? So we have a function, here we have simple line of execution, but here we are executing a information under the set timeout function, and here I am executing this one async message like this. Once again we try to execute, and you see the execution here, first, second, fourth and third. So first, second and fourth and then third, but we know that this is executing before the message 4, so message third should come first. I can run it once more, I can show you. I just print one more line, message 5 like this, message 5 here, and save and runs one again. You see the message 1, message 2, message 4, 5, but message 3 is coming after the 3 seconds. But remember, this function is executing, but this function is not stopping the execution of the next instructions. Remember, but this message is stopping the execution of next instructions, next function, because whenever we call a normal function, then it wait to be finished and complete the task, then the next statement execute. Here in this function I am calling this function having a set timeout function. This set timeout function is asynchronous by nature. Asynchronous means you can execute this, but it will wait for 3 seconds, and until the 3 seconds is completed, all other tasks will continue. So this function will not stop the execution of next instructions in JavaScript. That means this function is executing in a memory and waiting 3 seconds, waiting for 3 seconds. So after 3 seconds, this line will execute. But this line will execute, and this line is not stopping the other line to be executed because it's asynchronous in nature. So in case of asynchronous programming, we execute the task and we do not wait the task to be completed, and next instructions are executed without any problem. Whenever the task is completed, once again they come out from the background to the front memory or in a execution space, and then it perform the execution. Like this, we have 1 4 5 4 5, and now after 3 seconds the execution is completed, then it display the value. So executions order is changed, and because of this, if we do not make it asynchronous, then all the program must wait for 3 seconds. That means if synchronous behavior is there, we cannot do anything in a page until the 3 seconds is completed. But by asynchronous in nature, we can execute the function and we can perform rest of the task which we want to perform. For example, if I want to download an image or video from internet, so that image may be large, that video may be large, so may take 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, depend on the bandwidth. So till then we cannot stop the task of the website. So just we execute that method, and in the background that method will download the video, audio or images, and when the download is completed, then it will come back and display that download has been done. So this is the way, and this is the change between the synchronous and the asynchronous behavior or execution of applications in JavaScript. Thank you for watching my video.